Good day, students. You are welcome to today's class. Today we're considering differential calculus using chain rule. Let's look at what's on the board. The question goes thus that we should differentiate y equals 3x squared plus 1 raised to power 5. First thing to do is to say let u equals what's in the bracket. Let u equals 3x squared plus 1. That's the first thing to do. You represent what's in the bracket with letter. Now, in my own case, I'm representing what's in the bracket with letter u. I will now differentiate u with respect to x. Now, du over dx equals 3 times 2, which is the power of x. 3 times 2, x raised to power 2 minus 1. Use this formula that says if y equals to a x raised to power n. Now we want to differentiate y with respect to x. This is a formula we are using. dy over dx equals this n will multiply a multiplied by n x raised to power n, a multiplied by n x raised to power n minus 1. Okay, you apply the same rule. Now 3 times 2 times this 2, x raised to power 2 minus 1, which is equals to 3 times 2, that's 6, x raised to power 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equals to 6x. That's du dx. You now go back, replace what you represent with 3x squared plus 1, replace it back in the question given. Anyway, you say 3x squared plus 1, you replace it with letter u. Now, you have, since y equals 3x squared plus 1 raised to power 5, you now replace it back with u. Now say y equals to u raised to power 5. You now differentiate, please take note. When you differentiate u with x, when you say let u equals to what's in the bracket, after getting the answer for that, which is du over dx equals to 6x, now go back to the question. It's very important. That's what we call chain rule. Go back to the question, replace that letter in the question. That's what we have here. Y equals to u raised to power 5. Now differentiate y with respect to u. dy over du equals 5 times 1, because there's 1 at the back of u. 5 times 1, u raised to power 5 minus 1, which is equals to 5 times 1, that is 5, u raised to power 4. You apply this rule, okay? Because our a is 1, our n is 5. Our n is 5 in this case. Now, you now have it. Now bring out the general formula. dy over dx equals, bring du dx and du over dx together. Bring dy over du and du over dx together. dy over du multiplied by du over dx. Can you see? dy over du multiplied by du over dx. When you cross it, du cancel du, it will give us dy over dx back. That means that when you bring dy over du multiplied by du over dx will still give you dy over dx. You can see when you cancel it, cross it, du cancel du, you are left with dy over dx. Now, what's our dy over du is 5 u raised to power 4, dot means multiplication, du over dx. What's our du over dx is 6x. 6x. Now have it to be 5 times 6x. We have in 30x u raised to power 4. Now go back and replace your u back, because we are differentiating y with respect to x. It will not be in terms of u. Go back. Let u that you assume to be 3x squared plus 1, replace it back where you have the u. Now have it to be equal to 30x, open bracket. What's our u? 3x squared plus 1, close the bracket, raised to power 4. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.